Christ. Ah!
But you're that side. Your fat ass.
Why the hell is your...
What?
If you sit on my bed, you go... On this one, you're like really firm. It's like, it just stays there. Just like supports your
like a
arms.
firm bed.
I have the same mattress as you. But if you go to my middle's like that.
Do you know why that is? Because you spend all your time in bed. You look bigger than me.
What are you trying to say?
How do you mean that? Now look at the camera. Look at the lens, not the viewfinder. Tom, look at the lens. Lens. Hello everybody, how you doing?
I don't want to look at it, there's too many things. There's a light there, there's a camera there, there's a lens up there, there's a tripod there.
Just focus. Hello everybody, how you doing? Today I am joined with my stupid older brother Tom, or I call Tom Ass.
Listen here, smelly.
Okay. As you can guess by the title, he's going to be doing my makeup.
What's the title?
Brother does my makeup.
Oh, okay. I thought it was my brother makes you look a clown.
Oh, for goodness sake. So, I've laid out 2 makeup bags because I feel like... Oops. Oh no, it's all falling out.
What's this for?
That's an eyeshadow palette. I've limited you to one because I didn't want all my makeup being ruined.
What's this?
Packet of wipes in case you mess up.
What's that? Oh, is that a pen to write with?
No!
Oh.
I'm not telling you what's what. I've got my makeup brushes here. I'm kind of scared because I've got to do my makeup again tonight for when I have work.
Is that for picking your nose with?
I don't want you mucking up all my brushes. Oh,
Too late.
you didn't just touch that. Without further ado, we're gonna jump straight into the video. When I do that, we're gonna go like this way. Are you ready?
Wait, what? We're gonna look that way or move that way?
Our hands, fingers. I'm gonna go.
Okay, ready?
Okay, we're gonna jump straight into the video.
Oh.
You're an idiot. Do you want my hair up?
That would be wise.
Oh, okay. Okay. But you're gonna paint my face.
Oh yeah. Lasting perfection. You need about a tub of this.
I like dressing up. My hair is too tight.
Ooh, concealer.
So what are you gonna start on?
I don't know. I've never done makeup before.
You said that you did your friends. Oh, do not do that. Don't break it.
Sorry, I just snapped it. I didn't cost you.
He's not swearing. I've got.
Oh yeah, sorry.
I have to bleep things out in this.
I'm a pretty unicorn. Foundation.
Yes.
That's tiny. I need glasses to see that.
No.
Fondant anti-pollution. I think that's French.
Yeah, I literally need the tiny...
Oh, it's a squirty.
Yeah, it's a squirty. You literally need the tiniest bit.
Do I put my hand or do I put my brush?
What do you think?
Brush. Hand? Paintbrush.
Okay, I'll give you a clue. I put it on the back of my hand, literally the tiniest bit.
Yeah.
And then I'll let you figure out the rest from there. That's plenty!
Alright!
Don't want to look like a bloody... Do what you think.
Okay.
You are not gonna slap your hand.
No, I'm trying to get it up in my position. There we are.
Ow, you're hurting me.
Oh, there we go. There we are.
There was an easier way to do it, that.
What was that?
I was smacking around the face. Oh, we go for finger technique. You're brave.
Ooh, you look orange.
That's why I said the littlest bit. It feels like you're dragging my skin down.
If I got it in your hair, I'm so sorry.
Oh. Stop pinching.
No. What's that? Hourglass. Does it time you?
Yeah, swipe it on. I think you got enough product on the brush.
I don't know, it doesn't look like it.
Okay, you're not gonna tap off any. Okay. Can you see a difference?
No.
Oh. It's meant to add a glow. I've got one shiny nose.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
Why don't you do my eyebrows?
You do something with your eyebrows?
No! That's a spoolie. So that's you brush your brows. That's the other end. You make me look like a flipping clown.
No. Need more.
Blend. Ooh, ow, Tom, I'm delicate.
It's eyeshadow.
It makes your eyelids colourful. You don't have to. This is your makeup look, your creation.
But what's eyeshadow? Oh, is that what this is? Colour pop.
Oh, I've got these brushes. Oh, okay. Going for the gold.
I'm gonna make it like a hoe. It's all over my lap. I'm gonna make it like a hoe. Close your eyes. Open up your eye. Beautiful.
Oh, thanks. I don't know what I feel like right now.
What?
The ugly stepsister of Cinderella.
No. There you go. There you go. Pinch your lips together. Whatever.
You ruined my lipstick.
I'm sorry, I forgot it's a twist.
You twirl it down and then you slap the lid on.
Purple.
Haven't you got enough lipstick on that?
Oh. Not going
I
on.
have fat lips, okay?
I know. It goes bleh, bleh. Mix a bit of purple in there. Good. There you go.
Turn it down.
I'm twisting it down.
You done?
No.
Am I pretty yet?
No. What's that?
That's a lip coat, so it makes the lipstick stay. Careful with that, because that stings.
Oh, okay, it's a brush. That
Yeah.
was a spray.
Spray.
Smells like the model glue that I use. Stingy, stingy bitch. Stingy, stingy. Done.
Stop stinging. Woo. Are you done with your
You
creation?
sound like the guy from Frozen.
That's why I did it. Yeah, that's how I was. That's why I did it. And you copied me. I thought you got it.
I just realised. Alright. Matt. Matt what? Matt Link.
You know how I do my cat eye?
Is this it?
I
think I just broke your bed.
You fat cow. I know, I'm sorry. Okay.
I definitely just broke your bed. Tim was moving.
It's already broken. Oh, okay, this feels messy.
Excited.
Okay. Done?
No, it's not even.
Tom, they don't need to be twins, they're just sisters or cousins.
They need to be even.
Yeah. Do you remember Even Stevens?
Yep.
Yes, I love that.
Yep. Dexter's Laboratory is more my favourite. Eye pencil.
What am I doing?
Close your eyes.
Oh, okay. So you want me to look like I've got bags under my eyes, yeah?
Yep.
Got an itchy eyeball.
Are you trying to wink at me or something?
What was that laugh?
It was a lie, it was a cough.
It was like coughing in my face.
Okay, I'm done.
You done? Okay.
Do you want to go look at the camera?
Yeah,
and,
let me take my hair down.
Perfection. Magnifique. Magnifique!
It doesn't look so bad from this distance, but when I get my mirror up, Tom, why? What's with the lip?
You moved.
Look.
You moved. Go closer, go closer.
I don't think he's saying. I don't like it. It reminds me of the Joker.
Tie and hoe.
Oh, you scratched me.
You touched me.
Tom, I mean the eyeshadow. Okay, the eyeshadow is on point.
Oh, thank you.
I love. I mean, not that high up. I mean the brows.
It's smudged.
How boxy do you want them to be?
I see people that have them up here.
The lips, I love the colour. Maybe you need to be more careful. You did a grand job.
Judging my creativity, are we?
The cat eye. Do you know what? I think this could be a new trend starting. Let me zoom back out because you're not in the frame. Oh, I'm sat on
You
the
just
cushion.
sat on my arse.
Sat on my cushion.
You sat on my leg. Fat lump.
Yeah, so comment down below if you think he did a amazing job.
A grand job. I think I've done fantastic.
Thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, and make sure to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already.
Who are you talking to?
The viewers.
There's a camera.
You are not going to be a natural YouTuber, that's for sure.
I don't do YouTube. I watch AMVs or Screamo, that's about it on YouTube.
Okay, bye. Say bye. Bye bye. No, don't look at yourself, look at the lens.
Why is it to look at?
Bye.
We're done now.
Yeah, you can go.